These are the directions to Dr. Dave heading westbound. You'll see the Hy-Vee gas station on your right. As soon as you see the gas station, I advise getting in the left turn lane. Your next turn will be our driveway. You'll notice we're right before the Free State Dental building. Once it's safe to make a left, you'll go directly towards the building at the end of the driveway. The Fairhaven Office Suite sign will be on your right. You may park in any available slot. Handicap parking is also available. Next, we'll show heading eastbound towards the Hy-Vee gas station. This assumes you've passed Folks Road. On your right, you'll see Eldridge Street. Your next right turn after Eldridge is our driveway. You'll see the Free State Dental building on your right, as well as the Fairhaven Office Suite sign. You'll make a right turn there. As a reminder, Dr. Dave Computer Repair works on Macs and PCs by appointment only at our location or yours. We're up on the second floor of the building. Thank you.